Well, hello guys. It's been a minute since I've made a video for y'all, but I'm back. Hello, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sakina. I am your eco-friendly sustainability hostess with the mostest. Today I finally got a good video topic for you guys, and it is in relation to these beautiful things you see here. Yes, you see my nails. I haven't had my nails done in months since I quit working and started my journey in real estate. I haven't really been able to afford, my monthly manicure, my dip powder session until now. And that's what this video is about. It is a review of the NailBoo Dip Powder Kit that I recently purchased. I bought the kit and I'm gonna kind of break it down for you guys so that y'all can see what's in the kit, how I did doing my nails for the first time, and then the second time. This is actually the second round, what you're seeing right here. And it's okay. I think it's okay. I was trying to do like an ombre with it's like a nude type color with a pink sparkle. I was trying to do like an ombre. I think it came out okay. It definitely came out a ton better than my first round, and I'm gonna share with you guys some of the secrets on how to do this dip powder better, I guess you could say, just how to do it so that it looks really good. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. I might make other videos in the future because I think my next challenge is going to get fake tip, fake tips. I'm gonna get some fake nails so that I can actually have longer nails and cut them into the shape that I want, and file them into the shape that I want, and then do dip powder on top of that, because that's what they do at the salon. So I'm gonna try that next. So I hope you enjoy this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so, because I do post, I try to post at least once a month now. I don't want to bring y'all content that's not good, so I haven't been trying to push out stuff because I don't want to just make videos for the sake of making videos. I want it to be good stuff that you want to watch. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into this review. See, my nails are plain Jane. I have not gotten my nails done in about 4 months now. Let's see. Yeah, about 4 months, maybe 5 months, because I just have to cut back on spending, and I really only have money for like basic necessities like food and gas and my cell phone. So I've been looking a little raggedy, and I haven't been enjoying it. One thing I have been enjoying is allowing my nails to grow back from, the shaved down version that you get whenever you go to the salon and they do the dip powder. They do have to shave a bit of your nail down, and it makes your nails really weak. But my nail beds are growing back. They're more than halfway grown back, as you can see the difference there. And I discovered this on Facebook. This product is actually a Paris Hilton brand. It's called NailBoo. Here's the front of the box. NailBoo. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, let me give it a try. Let me give it a shot. As you can see, this is the contents. This kit cost me a little under $100. I think it was around like 92 or 93 after tax. Maybe it was 99. Anyways, it was under $100. It was in the 90s. But basically the kit came with 4 nail colors, 4 nail colored powders, all the tools that you need to create your dip powder nails. So the base, the top coat, the activator, all of that. So 4 nail colors, the base powder, the top coat, the activator, and then the base coat. And then it also comes with these little nail clips, which I think you put these on your fingers when you're allowing them to dry, which is very clever and thoughtful. Comes with this that you brush off excess powder as you're going through the dip process. So a little brush here, very, very nice quality on that brush. Comes with a really nice and thick nail file. So this is the buffing side, and then this is the coarse and semi-coarse filer. Comes with a cuticle pusher, and this is metal. It looks like it's plastic, but it's not. It is definitely metal. So you can push your cuticles back. And then they also have these masks that they included. So they give you 2 feet masks, and it comes with the 2 dream hands. Also comes with a little coupon that gives you a little 15% off discount for additional nail colors. I'm definitely probably gonna want to get some new nail colors, but I think I did good for my first sets. You'll see here in a second. But guys, I'm super excited to give this a try because my nails have just been looking so basic. This is the Here's a Tip Dip Powder. So you're gonna get your white if you like white nails like I do. This is that powder, no shimmer, just basic white. White nails is like one of my favorites. It's like black. Should got black, but I'll probably get that next time. The next one here is my shimmer. And this one is called Solar Shimmer. And there you go. Look at all that. I'm so excited to try this one out because I like a good shimmering nail polish. Tuscan Tea. This is a nudish type color. It's like an off-white, which is another one of my favorite types of nail colors. I don't really stray too far from neutrals. I really like neutrals just because it's more professional and more clean, and it goes with more outfits. However, every once in a while, I like to add in a pop of color like this pink lemonade. This pink lemonade is fire. I haven't opened it up yet, but can't you just see how bright and hot pink that is? This is a perfect summer color. It's like Barbie hot pink. And you get your top coat, your activator, and your base. And then this one here is your base powder. So this is what you put on before you put your color coat on. And they give you one of these. So I'll do my nails and you can see the finished results afterwards. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It looks a little rough, but you know what? Practice makes perfect. I have a newfound respect for my nail ladies because I was not thinking it was going to be this difficult, but it definitely is. I ended up scraping off like the first try on like on 3 nails because I just hated it so much. But I will say that with a little bit more practice, I think I'll be in good shape. But yeah, this is the finished product. Be sure to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. How did I do? Have you tried this nail kit before? Do you have it? And what are your suggestions for me on how to make it better?
All right, so round 2, as you saw, that was an absolute terrible rendition of dip powder nails. So I took all of my nail off and now I am doing it again, but this time I'm focusing on using less of the base, using as thin of a layer as base as possible, and then dipping it because then it becomes less chunky, as you can see here. So my thumb already has one base coat on, but as you can see, it's very, very, very thin, and that's the secret. You got to get it really thin, and you got to be very careful about how much liquid you get on, because wherever you put liquid or wherever the liquid gets on, like if it's on your skin, that's where the powder is going to build up. So you'll have like clunky you know, powder, hard powder all over your skin on the sides, and you really won't be able to shape it because you don't have the proper shaping tool. So I'm going to give this a second shot and I'll show you guys the finished results. So this is the first coat of base with the base powder, and so as you can see, I don't have any of this base coat on my cuticles, which is crucial, and it's not on my skin surrounding my nail bed. So that's crucial because I found that it's very hard to get it off your skin once it gets on there. So before you start putting multiple layers of color, make sure it's not on your skin and that it's not on your cuticles. But I'm really happy with what my base looks like compared to yesterday. Yesterday it looked dreadful. So today I'm off to a much better start.
So my second round went a lot smoother than my first round. I perfected getting thin layers of base coat and of color. This allows for layering that does not turn out bulky. On my third round, I was able to actually add tips to give me a longer, more professional look, and I really like the way it turned out. Overall, I really like the NailBoo kit. I highly suggest you invest in some 100% acetone, as it's easier for you to take the nails off. But yeah, guys, I love this kit. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe.